If you only can use a specific provider network, if you go with another network, then your iPhone not detect your SIM as a fully unlocked iPhone and fail to get network and on activation screen message with the hello screen. After you follow all the steps that finally we saw a message SIM not supported or SIM not valid. Let's update the ICCID first. I'm here using my unlocked iPhone. If you have an old ICCID then iPhone failed to activate and stuck on SIM not support or SIM not valid. This one is a fully unlocked iPhone. You insert SIM then the network shows. Take out the SIM and I'm here using the white SIM that shows sourcing. Go to setting, go to general, and here you can see the current ICCID on the SIM. Let's change the ICCID of the SIM. Go to setting, go to cellular. Here you can see the SIM application and open it. Now you can see the update ICCID option. Tap on it. Now you have to insert the latest ICCID. Below the description, you can find a web post on which you can find the latest ICCID always. Remove the SIM once, then insert it again. Confirm that ICCID is updated or not. Go to setting, go to general, go to about. Now you can see the ICCID is updated to that I insert. Now white SIM is ready to unlock. We have an iPhone 6s with carrier locked. If you insert any SIM, activation menu pop up. Internet connection is necessary for that process. Always remember. While we try to activate the iPhone, the message pop up on the screen that the SIM is not valid. Let's see the latest iOS 4.6 is running on the iPhone. Insert white SIM and do the activation process. Now phone is on hello screen. Follow the screen instruction to activate the iPhone. Now take out the SIM and insert the desired SIM card. You can see the network appear, means now the iPhone is unlocked and SIM free. This is not the fully unlocked process that you can say semi-unlock. If that stuff is helpful and you have to get some new idea, then share with friends. Drop your valuable comment below and don't forget to post any query about that video. Feel free to contact us. We always give you information that is accurate. We don't deal with any spam. If you want to update yourself on Apple Center content, subscribe to our channel, The GSM Solution. Hello, this is Akash from the GSM Solution and peace out till the next time.